Meaning of Joan Littlewood.
Joan Littlewood.
Joan Littlewood.
Joan Littlewood.
Joan Littlewood. Joan Littlewood was a British theatre director and practitioner known for her innovative approach to theatre making and her pioneering work in the field of theatre in the round. She was a key figure in the development of modern British theatre, particularly in the post-war period, and founded the Theatre Workshop Company, which produced many of her most famous productions. Littlewood believed in a collaborative approach to theatre making and was known for her use of improvisation and audience participation in her shows. She passed away in 2002, but her legacy lives on as an influential force in theatre history.